Hey everyone, welcome to Pacific Sands. I'm going to give you a very quick tour of the Beachfront Suites, so come on in. Now this is a one-bedroom beachfront suite that has a king-size bed, and as you can see, the bedroom is very spacious with tons of natural light. Moving into the kitchen, you have a fully equipped kitchen with a microwave, a stove, a fridge, a coffee pot, and of course you have all of your cookware and utensils, so you're fully covered there. Now moving into the living room, you have a gas fireplace and this sofa, which is actually a sofa pull-out. So if you want, this suite can accommodate up to 4 guests. But the best part about the Beachfront Suites is the fact that you are quite literally steps away from the ocean. Come on outside, let me show you what I mean. So this room type is steps away from the ocean and offers the best views out of any room type here at Pacific Sands. You could be sitting here on the couch, sipping on your coffee and watching surfers carve up the waves. I mean, does it get any better?